Yes, good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to update about this stock. It's called LPSN, Lever Person. So I think this is another healthcare stocks, and right now stock is trading 1.38 by Friday. And when you see the stock in 5 days, 13%, which is some pounds coming, 30% in 1 month, 6 months you see stock is 44% down. So guys, some recently this is the bottom. This stock came all the way to 0.5, and right now it's already 150% in the last 6 months. Year to date, stock still coming down. So remember, it was $4, and if you notice, guys, in last 3 months this stock is already this is, guys, you can call this, it was a buying zone, and it's already on a breakout, right? We saw making double top here, 146, and then the follow was here around 126, and it was a bearish time. That's why you see it was a downtrend line here to 107, and since then right now we are at this resistance 138, which it was our double top, right? And because of double top, if we break here area, we went 143, and now we are now on this support. So remember, guys, we are using this just over here. And another thing on LPA, when you see stock here, it has 122 million market cap. P ratio, you don't have any P ratio, doesn't have a dividend yield. We see 52 weeks high 4.74 and lowest 0.4. So guys, we had another 400% or a 4x to hit this all-time high. And I was trying to see if I will see any news before I will go to in the technically lever by person, showing focus based momentum, but still on a bargaining stock. So there is still one bargaining. This, guys, is on Yahoo Finance, and if you look at this stock, have gained a strong momentum recently, but they're still on trading a reasonable price. So guys, that is like is on the buying range. Lever person, LPA could be. So we have a lot of things up here, and I was watching a certain video of a year, and let me play in a small few, and then I will go to do my technicals in next few seconds. Remember, this video, guys, was updated on August 8th, which is on recent days. It's less than it's at least 2 weeks ago or 1 week. It's not playing, but remember, this guy was, I think you are going to watch his videos, and I don't know, network is slow, but let me jump into my video over here. So right now, guys, I've already tell you in last 3 months the stock already, when you used on market here, is telling you when the stock was around $3 here. Remember, this thing, guys, was trading over $60. I think this is 2021, 2022, before we saw this huge sell-off. Okay, and what will be our next resistance, because this thing is already going to break? I've already show you. We have this $4, which is 52 high, and $7. So $7, and you see this range between this area to $18. So I see the huge resistance on this stock is coming around this year. Remember, guys, we are using long term. Okay, we are using long term. You see clearly it's around $18 is the where we are going to see the resistance. So probably this one, guys, is easy. So thank you so much, this guy who gave me a lot of these names. We have a lot of names, and this all of this stock is going to be breaking out. And when you see on weekly here, guys, if you would like to buy stock which is already showing you some significantly bullish on long term, So when you watch a weekly over here, this is where it was our bottom, right around 0.4 0.45 or 0.1. You see over here we had this one, it pumped, and I show you, because this is also huge sell of carbon heavy. It's also huge drop from $2 to here. This was a huge sell off. Maybe there was a news came in, maybe earnings, maybe like maybe something like a financial stuff. But the good thing also on weekly, okay, on weekly we have on MACD also significantly buying. So we saw some pie previous, it was here, and the stock went all the way up there, and we have this one now, which is when the stock was around 0.6 on weekly. The buy signal was there, and even right now, and we are going to see on daily, because this thing it take off recently. We saw that 30%, and this where I was telling you that it was a double top, I mean not a double bottom, where something like a double top here, and then significantly was selling off, and then right now you see we need to break $1.50. So the recently see here, guys, if you want to see something consecutive, this thing was beating their earnings. You see, it beat earnings here and the revenue, it beat by 19%. And recently when stock was coming down here, and we saw again Lever person beat the earnings by 89. Guys, this guys has been now healthcare. I was doing a video, I said, guys, the healthcare stock is remember they were punished after COVID-19. So we saw after COVID-19 the stock, anything dealing with healthcare, you talk about Pfizer, Novavax, Moderna, anything like Cassava, Sans, or a Safe, like we have a lot of them which was beaten down, but now recently we saw pumping. So another thing, guys, if you have been going to watch my YouTube channel right now about the LPA, we have another signaling which is coming, which is going to come on this week. So you see this one signaling will come, and the guys because if you watch these things, like it's beating earnings after you see this drop off. Remember I told you the drop off that you saw dropping, you missed the earnings by surprise by 86, and that dropped all the way from $250 to or 2.5 to somewhere, and they move sideways, and right now things has been turning around, and this guys, this is called a long term. So yeah, so buying signal is here, daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, LPSN, this is guys the stock. And another thing, now we are going to jump to see different things, and what's a different thing we are going to jump. So we are going to see the next target. Okay, these things, I think the forecast, we are going to see the forecast, what other top analyzers are talking about the stock. And you see over here there is something different here, guys. So they were still targeting $1 on the highest, the minimum. So some analyzers, they think the stock will maybe going down another 20%. But guys, when you see this thing, lever by person is already breaking from 0.4 to here, that's more than 150%. And I've already said, for me, I think LPA will be huge in future. So let's see. We are watching, guys. It's going to be a growth stock. Okay, yeah, it's going to be a growth stock. And thank you so much, and have a nice day. What do you think about LPA? Let me hear, guys. Let me hear, what do you think about it? I don't know, this video is not going to play. Okay.